For the last week and a half, our Houston network technicians have been out here working hard to get the customers restored in the Houston community. It's been in the sun, in the rain, it's been day, it's been night. We've been out here pushing hard to get our customers taken care of. And at the beginning, the restoration happened really quick. We were able to bring up the first 95% of our customers quickly. But now we're in the grind, where we're in the heaviest hit areas, where you can see very physical labor that's taking place behind me. We've got heavy cables on the ground. We've got fiber optics that are broken. Right now they're splicing the hard line back together in a way that we can then get the cable brought back up to the air. It's a very manual, tedious process. We just want to give a big thank you to all of our loyal customers. We know that a few of you have been down for quite some time, but just know we have our people out here. They're away from their families. They're pulling extra shifts. They're doing everything they can to get you back up and running. We want to make sure that we're here to support our Houston community, businesses, education, and people, because we love our communities.